Hey guys, how's it going? As you know, I've been running the FITCAM X as my dash cam up front here for a couple months now, and for the most part, I've been really pleased with it. It's still super discreet, the app has worked really well, and the video quality is amazing. However, many of you guys have been commenting and messaging me on Instagram if FITCAM X makes a rear dash cam for the 4Runner. And I reached out to them and asked. They did confirm they do have a rear dash cam available for the 4Runner. However, this is the downside. It's a completely new system. You can't simply just buy the rear dash cam and add it on to the front one. So I decided to ask them if they could send out a package for me so I can do a test and an install and show you guys the difference, the pros and cons of it, and let you know if you want the whole system, front and rear, or just the front one. So let's go ahead and do an install, and then I'll do a review of the app and the video quality, both the front and rear, compared to the current one I have now, and we'll see how it goes. So let's go into it. So for the most part, installation is exactly the same. We're just gonna go ahead and tilt the mirror out of the way. We're gonna go ahead and pry this down. It should just fall out. Go ahead and unplug the dash cam. And we're gonna reuse these orange tabs, okay? So make sure to remove the orange tabs. We're gonna reuse them in the new one. So the orange tabs, these, if you are upgrading from the original OEM factory part, these are gonna be on the cover of your sensor right here. So go ahead and remove those. They should just pop right out like that. And here you go. This is the front dash cam one. After that, make sure to remove the piggyback harness. It should be this white one right here. And then take out the original sensor. This is your piggyback harness. All right, so this is the new one here. You'll see the main difference is that it has an extra cord here. It says rear cam on here. So essentially what this is doing is it's adding this extra cord that you're gonna route to your rear camera, because you're gonna draw power from up here as well. So after we get this all hooked up, I'm gonna run a wire through the headliner all the way to the back, and then we're gonna hook up power to the rear dash cam. So you're pulling power from up front here, right? So that's the only difference that you're gonna see. We're gonna go ahead and attach the piggyback harness. This is the new one that came with the kit. That goes in there. Now this plugs in here. There we go. Now this will deliver power to your front camera. Just a reminder, install the orange clips. Without the orange clips, this will not correctly seat into this part right here. We're going to connect power. This is to the front dash cam. Here we go. All right. So as you recall, this is the tricky part, trying to fit everything in here. We want this to hang out a little bit loose though, just because we want to be able to connect power to it. So I'm going to try to finesse my way in here. All right, so I've gone ahead and installed the new dash cam, kept this wire out. I'm going to go ahead and route it behind my headliner all the way to the back. So I'm going to show you that, and then we'll install the rear dash cam. Okay guys, so I've gone ahead and routed the power from the front all the way to the back. This is the power cord that we're going to tap into. As you can see, this is the rear dash cam. It's really small. It's just a 3M adhesive on top. All we need to do is plug it into power, and that's it. But there's one more step. You're probably wondering, well, Dan, how am I gonna, where am I gonna stick this to? There's nothing back here to stick the dash cam to. Well, I actually found this really cool product off of Etsy. If you remember my 3D printed Etsy video I did a while back ago, I actually found these guys off of Etsy as well. This is a 3D printed base plate that you can actually install. It's made specifically for the 4Runner. You can install in one of these pins right here. So all you do is pop out these pins, put the base plate on there and pop the pin back in, and it acts as a secure, clean surface for you to install your dash cam. So I'm gonna link these base plates down below. For any of you guys who are installing a rear dash cam and you don't know where to mount your dash cam, these plates are a lifesaver. So I'm gonna show you that right now. All right, let's boot her up. See if the indicator lights are on. Looks like it's working. So for the app itself, it's essentially the same as the original version. It does let you toggle between views as well as recording both views simultaneously. Now let's take a look at some footage. So guys, that wraps up the install and quick review of the FITCAM X front and rear dash cam kit. Once again, guys, I'm really impressed with the quality of the video that these cameras have. I was already really impressed with the original one I got, but this one, even the rear dash cam, is really great. So as you can see, the app is still really intuitive. I do wish there were those features that I mentioned in the previous video. I do wish FITCAM would implement those, hopefully in a software update. Also, guys, I will link this base plate in the description below. It's a super easy install and makes putting a rear dash cam on your 4Runner really, really, really simple. So, all right, guys, that's it. FITCAM X. I will have a coupon code in the description below, so check it out. Thank you, guys.